We've all been there before. We're one of our mates have had too many inus. So what do? We'll follow our tikanga to keep a friend safe.
Tuatahi, if you notice your mate has had too much to drink, cut off their alcohol supply and get them to a safe place.
Tuarua, if your mate's a bit haurangi, chances are they're going to be a bit wee wawa. Make your intentions clear and get their consent before touching or moving them.
Okay, we're going to lift you up.
Tuatoru, to soak up all that alcohol, make sure to get your mate a kai. Tuawha, why Māori is your wasted mate's new best friend? Keep them hydrated to help them sober up.
Tōrima, if your mate needs te ruaki, make sure there's no hair or any loose clothing covering their face. It's better out than in.
Tua ono, let's say your mate's a bit too drunk. Put a backpack on them when they go to bed. This prevents them from choking on their own ruaki.
Tuawhitu, put a glass of water and Panadol next to their bed, because they're definitely going to need it in the morning.
Ka noho koe te rangatira o tō inu.